Go out on the weekend, wanna take time with this feeling. Maybe we can stay in bed and sleep in. Baby, you know you're all that I'm needing.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to be taking you guys through my GarageBand app on my phone and just showing you guys a little basic tutorial of how I pretty much made myself and I on my phone. So yeah, let's jump over to GarageBand. If you enjoy, leave a like, rate and subscribe and share it with your friends.
Hey guys, so we're into GarageBand now. I'm just on the file for myself and I. I'll quickly take you through all the individual loops now. So I'll put like a time code on screen for where you can skip to if you can't be asked to listen to each of the individual loops. But if you can, here's each individual one. So this is the piano that you'll recognise. And then you'll recognise this violin then comes in. And then you've got this beat. So that's the main beat. And then you've got this bass line which then comes in. So this is like the really punchy bass that you hear in the song. So if I do it this way, this section here, this one is the intro, and then this is like the main chorus. And then the second box along is not moving for me. And then this last one here is the like post-chorus bit. So then on the chorus, the beat changes to have hi-hats in it. So with the beat, it'll be like that. See, and then you've got this piano. I've just remembered how I made that one, so I'll take you through it now. And then you've got this little tune which plays after the chorus. So then all together it goes from into the chorus. And then post-chorus. That is basically each individual sound. So now I'm going to take you through how basically I make it. So with the drums, there's various drums that you can pick from. My personal one that I've picked is Modern 808. So I'll do that. So I've got the tempo. On GarageBand, to do the tempo, you've basically just got to tap for it. So, but mine's 135. You do this, it clicks down, and then you go. See? And then it will keep looping, and then you can record over it. So I then do this. See? And then you've just got a beat going then. The only issue with GarageBand if you're doing it on your mobile is that it does do this optimize and performance thing quite a lot, which is obviously a bit annoying, but it's fine, like you can work with it. So that's for example how I did the beat. Then when it comes to the bass, I just found a really punchy bass that I wanted to use, and then if you double tap it here and then click edit, then you can see I basically just lined it up where the bass drum is. So, but I really wanted it to hit, so that's why it does it like this. So yeah, the piano is pretty simple. So basically, it's just a matter of going on the piano. Wait, if I switch it over to the chords. Chords. Let me just change the chords around. The chords for the song are D minor, and then it's, let me just grab my guitar quickly, that's how I normally work out. Then it's F and then C. Okay, so it's F and then C. See, like that, and then And then all that I've done then when it comes into the actual notes is I've just made the lowest note go off beat. Yeah. See, so these ones, so the main chord only plays twice, but then the smaller notes play twice. So and then that's how you get that little off note effect. Yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. This was just me doing, if you guys know what scales are, it's just me doing the scales of the chords. So it's just me going, what was it? No, so it's so I was just doing off notes. So it'd be good if I could. So it just goes like. And then I just came up with the melody then that fitted over it, which is this da 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 da. See, so then you've got this. Now this last bit here, which is the last bit really that I need to go over. I don't even remember how I did this bit. I think what happened was that was just luck that it made that little sound at the end. Yeah, that was just luck. That was just luck, guys, to be honest. But and then you just record it in, and then, well, this is with my vocals and stuff as well. As you can hear, we've got the little.
Mind out for control, we lose because we are stuck in the mess.
Yeah, then you end up with the whole sound. So, as I showed you at the start, with the vocals, if any of you guys sing, normally what I do is I just add a tiny little bit of auto-tune just to pull it into being perfectly in tune, and just a bit of reverb on the vocals, and then you get, let me see, can we get any nice harmonies? The end bit has some nice harmonies.
Had you by my side, I would say I'm happier now you're not in my life, 'cause you were never really mine. You see a reflection but you don't see what you are, and that's what makes it sad for me, 'cause you don't see the scar. But I know it's better.
Then is because I'm primarily a guitar artist, I just basically added in some guitar at the end.
We never mentioned from the start.
Just like that. So yeah, back to the main bit.
And we're back. I hope that you guys enjoyed that. If you did, as I said before, please leave a like, rate and subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, check all my links down in the description, follow all my socials, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.